The discovery of a rare 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing hidden away in a forgotten Los Angeles barn has captivated the car community across America and beyond. Known as one of the most iconic and valuable classic cars in automotive history, the Gullwing's sudden reappearance has become a viral sensation on YouTube, with millions tuning in to watch its restoration journey and historical significance unfold. What makes this find so special isn't just the car's rarity or its multi-million-dollar value, it's the incredible story that comes with it. Left untouched for over 6 decades, this aluminum-bodied 300 SL was originally one of only 29 produced, making it even more exclusive than most collectors ever imagined. When Jay Leno, one of the most respected figures in the American car scene, revealed the car to the public, the excitement skyrocketed. His detailed walkthrough of the vehicle's condition, its unique engineering, and the emotional moment of starting it for the first time in years added even more depth to the already thrilling narrative. Viewers were especially fascinated by the signature Gullwing doors, a design that remains iconic even in today's hypercar world. Built with racing DNA, the 300 SL was originally inspired by the Mercedes-Benz W194 race car and was considered the fastest production car of its time, reaching speeds up to 160 miles per hour. The 300 SL stood out not just for performance but for its aesthetics. Its long hood, streamlined body, and innovative tubular spaceframe made it a masterpiece of German engineering. And yet, to find such a car neglected in a dusty barn in the heart of California feels like something out of a movie. Restoration experts have been working tirelessly to maintain the originality of the vehicle while breathing new life into every nut and bolt. From its hand-polished silver paint job to the authentic red leather interior and vintage analog dashboard, every detail is being restored with surgical precision. Under the hood, the car retains its original 3.0-liter straight-six engine equipped with mechanical fuel injection, a revolutionary feature for its time and a clear indicator of the car's racing pedigree. For enthusiasts, it's not just about bringing back a car. It's about reviving a piece of history that represents post-war innovation, luxury, and ambition. The car is now displayed in a luxury white showroom, adding a layer of contrast between its rugged past and its polished future. With glossy white floors, elegant ambient lighting, and minimalist decor, the showroom feels more like an art gallery than a garage, perfectly fitting for a car of this stature. The videos documenting this transition have drawn attention not just from gearheads but from luxury lifestyle viewers and history buffs alike. Social media is flooded with admiration, questions, and even offers from collectors who want to be a part of the story. YouTube's algorithm seems to favor this kind of content, emotionally charged, visually stunning, and educational, making the Gullwing series one of the platform's top automotive trends.